Hello everyone! So it's that time of the year again. It's the Christmas season. So I'm sure most of you are getting ready for Christmas with all your gifts and Christmas trees and then the Christmas wreaths and stuff. So the main thing about Christmas is getting together with your family and friends and celebrating. And also you send out cards to all your loved ones to show your love towards them. And in today's video, we're gonna look at 4 easy Christmas cards which you can do at home all by yourself. Before we move on to the video, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you would like to receive a notification when I upload a new video, please don't forget to click the bell icon below. Alright, let's begin. For this, I'm going to use regular cardstock paper in white because it's easy to find. And then for the first card, we will be doing a Christmas tree with string of lights. So I'm going to draw a triangle with a pencil for my margins of the Christmas tree. Now within that triangle, I'm going to draw my string of lights in a wavy motion. Once I complete the string of lights, I'm going to add the points where I'm going to draw the small lights. So just draw some tiny lines and mark where all the lights are going to be. Equal distance. Just mark where you want the lights to be. Next, I'm going to use a Steadler pigment liner to draw the string of lights. So the string will be drawn with this. Just follow the line which you have already drawn with the pencil and then to the lights. So now you have already marked the lights where you want the lights to come. So just add a small line where you want the bulb to come and then a circle at the end. So we're done with the drawing. All we have to do is add some color to this. I'm going to use 5 colors: red, yellow, green, orange and blue. So as I have 5 colors, every 4 bulbs I'm going to color it red. So I'm coloring every 4 bulb red. And then I'm using blue, green and orange and yellow in the same way. I'm going to make the bulb a little bit outside of the line we have drawn, so it gives the effect of a glow. So now we have done our Christmas tree with the string of lights. All we have to do is do the lettering, my favorite part to do. So I'm going to do a Merry Christmas in a bouncy calligraphy font. So adding a star to the top of the tree. Alright, we're done with the first card. Simple and easy, but looks dainty. Second card. For the second card, I'm going to draw a Christmas ornament ball. So I have drawn a circle with the pencil. Within the circle, I'm going to draw some lines. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this Christmas ball with Christmas words. I'm going to write Merry Christmas in the middle of the ball, and I'm going to write Christmas words like faith, love, family, uh, anything, joy, anything you like which is related to Christmas. So to make it easy, first I'm going to write the letters and complete it within the ball, so I don't go out of the ball when I'm writing with the pen. So the middle will be Merry Christmas, and the rest of the ball I'm going to write all the other words. So we have completed the Christmas ball sketch with the pencil. Now all we have to do is ink it. For the words, I'm going to use a dark green. Just at the end of every word, I keep a full stop to differentiate the word from the other word. So we know it's one word and then other word is not connected to it. Then the Merry Christmas with red, and then again the rest of the ball. Okay, now this looks like a circle. To make it like a Christmas ball, I add the hanging string for it. I draw a black line from the top of the card, and then to finish it off, I'm adding a tiny bow to the end of the string. Now it looks like a Christmas ball with lovely words of Christmas. So the second card is done. Now we can do the third card. Okay, for the third card, I'm going to draw some fern leaves on top of the Christmas card and the bottom of the Christmas card. These are very simple fern leaves. With the pencil, first I'm going to mark where the leaves are going to come. I'm not exactly drawing the leaves, I'm just marking where I want the leaves to come. Just some simple lines in random angles. And then in the middle, I'm going to do my lettering saying Merry Christmas. So once I'm done with my sketch, I take my Crayola supertips. I use dark green and I am going to draw my fern leaves. All you have to do is draw a line and then draw lines on each side of that line. It's very simple to draw these leaves. Just follow the lines you have already drawn and then turn it into a leaf. Just go on with drawing the leaves with the pen. It's easy even without the guidelines of the pencil, you can do this. But if you're really nervous, you can use the guidelines. So after drawing the leaves, I'm adding some tiny berries in between to give it some color. So do the same to the bottom of the card and add some berries there too, so you can give a more contrasting look to the leaves. So you're done with the drawing. You have to do the lettering in the middle now. I'm using a Tombow brush pen for this too. I'm going to use a basic calligraphy font with a bit of a modern touch. So I didn't use very fancy flourishings and all to these cards because I want everyone else to be able to do these cards too. So I'm adding some leaves here in the edge of the words, some berries too. So we're done with our third card too. It's also very simple, except for the lettering in the middle. Everything else is very simple. So for the fourth card, this is going to be a very simple card too. You can do it fully or you can do it halfway. You'll realize what I'm telling. So I'm using a pigment liner for this, but before that I have to do the sketch of what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw a half of a Christmas tree on the edge of this card. For that I drew a half of a triangle with the pencil, and then next within that triangle I'm marking some Christmas balls with some Crayola supertips. I will be using red, yellow, blue and orange. So just randomly mark where you want the Christmas balls. With drawing that, you can draw your Christmas tree. All you have to do is draw lines from the edge of the card towards the edge of your triangle you have drawn already with your pencil. So just draw random lines, freehand lines from the edge of the card to the edge of the triangle. So it will look like the needles of a Christmas tree. So when you're coming to the bottom of the tree, start drawing the lines from the middle of the triangle to the edge of the triangle, but still go in the same direction, that's from right to left, 45-degree angle. So come all the way down. Once you're done with the tree, I'm going to draw a small girl hanging Christmas ornaments on the tree. It's a very easy picture of a girl. I will show you how to draw it. I did a sketch so that I won't make a mistake. You can do the same. First you do a half of a circle and then you do the edge of the cap. And then you have a small ball hanging from the cap and the face. Then you do the hands on either side. Come down to make it a sleeve. Then you do the dress. It's very simple. Put two small ovals for the hands and then two Christmas balls hanging on each hand. Finally, the legs, just two lines, and shoes. Two lines horizontally and then join them with like half of an oval and a circle. Then I'm adding some color to the girl. Just color it in any way you want. I'm using red and green to make it more Christmassy. Finally, the lettering in this card. I draw my margin lines and then do the lettering with the pencil so that I won't make a mistake when I'm doing with the pen. So once I'm done with my pencil sketch, I use my Tombow brush pen and then ink it. So we're done with our fourth card for today. A very simple Christmas tree with some Christmas ornaments and lettering and a small girl. So we're done with all 4 cards. The Christmas tree with a string of lights, a Christmas ball with words, and some leafy Christmas card, and a Christmas tree card with a little girl. So all 4 cards are pretty easy to make. All you have to do is go crazy. Only the lettering is a little bit complicated, I guess, but if you have followed my tutorials of calligraphy, it's pretty easy to follow these lettering too. So thanks for watching, and I hope all of you make these cards and enjoy it. So if you do make any of these, please don't forget to comment below and tag me in Instagram so I can share with everyone. And also, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell notification. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in my next video. Bye.